Hello, and if you've found us through the Yoto player, welcome. It's so lovely to have you here. I'm Dave, co-founder of Zeepy, and if these stories are helping bedtime in your house, we're building something for you, the Zeepy App. New stories, meditations, sounds and songs, all with Kip and the Zeepy world for every part of bedtime. It's nearly ready, so to get early access as one of our founding listeners, join the waiting list at zeepy.co/app. That's zeepy.co/app. And if you're listening on Apple or Spotify, the link's in the show notes too. Right, over to Ollie. Hello dear friends, and welcome to the Zeepy Sleep Podcast. I'm Dave, co-founder of Zeepy, and I pop in between Ollie's bedtime stories to share previews of what's coming on the Zeepy app. Today's preview is a bit different because it's not from bedtime at all. It's called Kip and the Very Quiet Birds, and it comes from a new bedtime phase in the app called Wait. It's for the moment your child wakes too early for the day to start, too awake to fall back asleep. In the story, Kip finds some birds already up in the pre-dawn dark, and for a while, they just keep each other company. That's the whole idea behind Wait. It's not trying to get your child back to sleep. Some mornings that's just not going to happen. So play it in the moment they wake too early, or just leave it running while you both wait for a more reasonable hour. The link in the show notes will get you on the waiting list for the app as one of our founding listeners. Or if you're listening on Yoto, visit zeepy.co/app. Now, over to Kip. Snuggle in. You're not the only one up.
Kip and the Very Quiet Birds.
Look at those birds. Oh, hello. You're up too. Good. I've been sitting here, at the window. The cushion's all squashed in the middle. It always is. It's warm though, where I've been sitting. You can feel it. Everything's really quiet. The cafe's just still. All of it. It's all pale outside. Not dark. Not light. Like the sun's deciding. There's a bird on that branch. The one closest to the window. The one that nearly touches the glass. A very small bird, and it's round, really round. Its feathers are all puffed up so it looks like a little ball, just sitting there on the branch. I've been watching it for ages. It hasn't moved, not even a bit. It's asleep, completely. Its head's tucked right in. You can't even see its beak, just feathers. It's like it's tucked its whole self in, everything hidden. Just a round, puffy shape on a branch. I didn't know they could be that round. I quite like it. Muffin's on the big cushion behind us. She's always on the big cushion, nose tucked under her paw. She does a tiny purr, very quiet. You nearly miss it. The bird outside is tucked up, and Muffin's tucked up. They're doing the same thing, sort of. Tucking. Everyone's tucking. Oh, there's another one. Look, on a different branch, a bit further away. This one's smaller. Its feathers are darker. I wonder if they have names. Not what kind of birds they are. I don't know that. Just names. Like the cats have names. The first one, the very round one, I think that one's called Round. Because it is. And this second one, I'm not sure yet. I'll think about it. The glass is cold. If I get really close, I can feel it. And if I breathe on it, look, a little cloud, just for a moment. And then it goes. I keep doing it. Breathe. Cloud. Gone. Breathe. Cloud. Gone. It's cold out there, but the birds don't seem to mind. They've puffed up. That's what the puffing is for, I think. Keeping warm. Like a tiny coat made of themselves. That's clever, I think. In here it's warm. The cushion's warm. The cafe's warm. The birds have their puffing, and I've got my cushion. That's fair. I'm glad I've got the inside bit. I thought birds were supposed to be noisy, singing and that. But these ones aren't making any sound at all. Can you hear them? Nothing. Not one sound. They're just quiet, like everything else. Even the very round one. Not a peep. I don't know if that's funny or impressive. Probably both. They don't even know we're watching. They're just sitting there, being round. Oh, and there's more. Further along the same branch. 3 of them. In a row. All puffed up. All still. like somebody put them there on purpose. But nobody did. They just chose the same branch. Must be a good branch. The one on the end is the smallest. I'm calling that one small. Small suits it. The middle one is sort of in between. Maybe just middle. I know, not my best. I'm not very good at naming birds. But they don't seem to mind. They're asleep. They don't know. I wonder if they know each other, or 5 of them, on the same branch. Or maybe they just turned up, one at a time, and found the others already there. I don't know if birds choose where to sit, or if they just land. Probably just land. That's sort of nice, not planning it, just ending up in the right place. The branch doesn't mind. It's got room for all of them. They're all still out there, round and small and middle and the dark one. I still haven't named the dark one. That's all right. And in here, Muffin's still on her cushion, nose still tucked under her paw. The cups on the counter, the chairs, all of it still. Everything outside is quiet, and everything inside is quiet. And it's the same quiet, I think. The birds have it. The cats have it. We've got it too. It's all still. All just still. Nobody's doing anything. Nobody needs to. It's just this. Just quiet. We can just sit here with all of it. The birds and the cushions and the quiet. We don't have to do anything. That's enough.